Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today, as you can see, we're going to be working on Blue Mountains and Pavilions that I got, about a week or so ago from AliExpress, and we'll be working wrong mountain, right here in this mountain. And the color is 926. It's kind of a grayish turquoise, if you will. So yeah. So how is everybody doing? Hope you're all having a great day and a great week. We're at the middle of the week again. Yay! Ready for some days off. And it's supposed to get cooler. Yesterday was a little bit busier than it was on Monday. So we'll see how today goes, if we can. But yeah, I was a little pooped. It was just kind of coming and going, and some would come in, and some would just get gas, and some would just use the bathroom, and others would come in the store, and yeah, I was ready for the night to end. So, let me pull you in just a bit so you can kind of see what's going on. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I'm shedding again. I think I shed more than a cat some days. But yeah, no grand plans for this week or weekend. So we'll just have to wait and see. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm ready to stay at home and just stitch for a bit. I stitched on my hairpin ladies for a bit. Started stitching on the color down in here, but I changed my mind. I thought I'd try to finish more up here so I have that same color right in here. But yeah, but this goes very nicely, so I do like it. Oh my god. Well, until I can't get the needle in. What is the problem here? Some days. So what is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun. Something that brings you joy. Because, yeah, that's what it's all about. Something that you like to stitch on, or whatever craft suits you. Before I forget, I'm going to put them right in here. I did have at least 4, if not 5 people send me pictures. Thank you everyone for sending the pictures and sharing with everybody. I sure do appreciate it. They're just beautiful. Y'all have been just busy. Busy, busy, busy. Me, I just keep flitting from one thing to the next. So no grand plans as to what I'll be stitching on this weekend. It usually comes to me about Friday, and then it's what I want to stitch on, and I can't get away from it. That hairpin one has a lot of bigger areas, if you will, so it takes a hot moment to get through sections, if you will. But I'm still not ready to work on there's like a screen behind those flowers that I'm working on. Yeah, I'm not ready to tackle that yet, so that won't be happening. Let's see, can I get back up there? Yeah. Didn't know if it was too far or not too far. Now, if anybody else has any projects they're working on or anything they've finished, you can send a picture to my email address, and it's in, excuse me, the description box below. And I will get it into the next Stitch with Me as soon as I possibly can. So if you don't see it the day you send it, it might be the next day after that. So never fear, I will get them in there. I'm getting better about remembering that I have them. Holy cow. Yeah, when I first started doing that, I was not so up on it that I could get rid of that needle before I poke myself. I gotta get the scissors out of there. You know, I kept forgetting for some reason, or whatever, so we're trying to do better. Try. And Miss Jill, that's Jill Green here on YouTube. She's going to Disney, I think it's Disneyland. Not sure if it's Disney World or Disneyland. I think Disneyland is in California, so she's going to the one in Florida on a vacation. So she'll be gone. And I think this is one that she picked, you know, if she finally decided that she was going to take with her on their trip. Because, like I said, it's just really easy to stitch on. I just keep doing it one thread at a time. I have to go back and catch some more here and there, but yeah, I mean, that didn't take me any time at all to get that top section done, so yay. It kind of stitches like Riverside Building Night Moon. I'll have to get that out. I haven't had that out in a while. And it's really easy too. Come on. Making sure I'm still in the general vicinity so you could see what I'm working on. I will turn it around when I'm done here. But yeah. So it's kind of nice to have one that's really easy to work on and makes you feel like you're making some kind of progress at least. I worked also a little bit on, what was it? Oh dear. What in the world? The perfume bottle. I was trying to think what that had in it. Because I was working on leaves and flowers. So I put in a few threads into that one. But, yeah. But in a way, I just kind of like to keep working on these 11 counts for a bit. They seem to be a little bit easier. And I've been having trouble with my thumb here. It's getting better, but dang, kind of drives you nuts. And then, not to mention, last weekend, I stabbed myself like 50 times in the other finger, the one that's underneath this material. So yeah, it was just a real pain in the hand, shall we say, instead of the neck. Yeah, unbelievable. And then other times, I can just stitch forever and not poke myself once. But once I do, it's like, I must do it 50 times. I know, I can hear you all screaming, well, if you just put on your stupid thimble, lady, you wouldn't have that problem. I know. But I can stitch faster without it. Trying to make some progress here. Come on. I put another thread in that, those busy ladies. Whoops. Come on, needle. Now we gotta turn it, because I feel like I'm working against myself. It's easier to go up and down. What is the problem? There we go. Now, pull that down. Oh my goodness. Yep, you see, I need a couple days off. Just a couple. And then I'll be good. Sometimes I stitch most of the day, and others, yeah, it's kind of, I keep picking it up and putting it down, picking it up, putting it down, going and doing other things. So, yeah. And then if I watch something that has subtitles, then I have to put it really down because I can't do both. So, fun times to be had by all. Ouch. Oh my goodness, what is the problem? Oh, we're almost to the edge again. So, yeah, but I haven't heard from my daughter. She kind of tweaked her back the other day, so we'll see if she gets better, or if we go anyplace. Of course, I'll take you along and take pictures and stuff like that, so we'll see. All right. Let me just turn this right side up. So that's all filled in. I think I got, let's see, one symbol there. There's two right there. That's the rest of this grayish color we're using. And then I'll be ready to move on down a little bit. So, and you can't see a thing. I am so sorry. Jeez Louise. You'd think I never made a video. And this thing keeps sticking to my body. And let me move that out of the way. So, yep, just one more symbol here. Two right in there, maybe three. And then I can just move down this area. So, I'll just try to concentrate on that section from here to there. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sending pictures. All y'all, I sure do appreciate it. And keep in mind, they do not have to be just cross-stitch, you know, projects or whatever. So, whatever you're into. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.